Hello and welcome to DC Tech Talks. Today we are going to unbox and install a presentation scanner from DCode DC5142. First of all, let's try and find out what do we have inside the box. So let's see. Okay, so first of all, we'll find a user manual which will guide you how to install this particular scanner. Secondly, we have one USB cable with the help of which you can connect this scanner to any computer. And lastly, this is our presentation scanner DC5142, right? And as you can see, it has a huge scan screen which gives you a huge scan area. It has one touch control for sound and alarm. At the back, you have this USB slot and you can insert the USB cable inside this, and the second end can be inserted into a computer and you can start using this particular scanner. And now, let's try and switch on this scanner. For this, we have to plug in the second end of the cable into a computer. And once it is switched on, we can start using this scanner. For the purpose of testing, we have one small QR code, one large QR code, one large 1D barcode and one small 1D barcode. And let's try and see how this scanner works. And as you can see, these blinking lights will tell you that it has already started to scan all these barcodes. But since we have a rotating motor, let's try and find out the speed of this scan engine, that how fast this particular scan engine actually is. And let's try and start this rotating motor to check the scan speed. So this was the unboxing and installation of DC5142. Thank you for watching the video.